This is the most exciting time to be part of the materials science industry, to be able to add to our existing expertise, to get closer to this science and our collaborators, and to help actually deliver innovation that has an impact, and it directly relates itself to something that's happening today in that dynamic industry. I'm Damien Morrison. I'm Director of Marketing for the Materials Science business. This is a relatively new endeavour in which we are comprising the product development and expertise of the Waters Separations and Mass Spectrometry along with the TA Instruments organisation. The primary reason for forming the Materials Science business was really to enable us to better serve a very dynamic and fast-changing industry of which the materials science business is, and enable us to better support our customers in that space today and going into the future. As an instrumentation vendor, we really have to spend a lot more time working with our customers and our collaborators and our research scientists and our key opinion leaders to really understand what is required from technology to solve the problems they are facing. We have got multiple ongoing collaborations, and two that spring to mind specifically are at Virginia Tech with the Macromolecule Institute. These guys are leaders in the world of 3D printing technologies. Another area which is a slightly similar type of collaboration, but in a different area, is with Rowan University. And their focus is very much in biosourced materials, lignins, for example, specifically. Looking at how to process biosourced materials to actually get to biodegradable products. As consumers today, we have this insatiable desire for the best performing mobile devices, the nicest, sharpest televisions, stents, drug delivery systems, potable water for areas where the infrastructure has failed or it doesn't actually exist. All of these things, in terms of, they all actually drive the need for better and more consistent analytical measurements. And that's really where that synergy between the industry and what we've put together as a materials science business actually begins to work together. The analytical tools and the expertise that the combination of Waters chromatography, mass spectrometry, thermal analysis, rheology, DMA, etc., that's where we really come into our own, and I think we have quite a unique value proposition to be able to support our customer base from that perspective by having that combined expertise ourselves. We're looking at analytical challenges that we can solve today with technologies, in the most part, that we either have today or with minor modifications we can actually serve into this market. And that's really why we made the decision that we have to go forward with this, because the opportunity is there and the challenges are there that we can solve.